Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you class 10th topic trigonometry. First of all, I want to explain you what is the trigonometry. Trigonometry word is formed by the Greek word combination of two words. First is the trigono and second one is the metry. Trigono means the sum of or the combination of three. The combination of three. Okay, and metry, that means the Measurement. Measurement. That means we are going to introduce about the measurement or combination of the triangles. That means that area included the three sides is known as the trigonometry. Okay, in this topic we will discuss about the angles and the sides. First of all, I also want to tell you one thing, that the trigonometry is explained, or trigonometry is used for the right angle triangle. For the right angle triangle, for which, that means in a right angle triangle there is a two acute angle in that triangle. Two acute angle in that triangle. What is the acute angle? Acute angle, the angle which is more than 0 degree and less than angle between. If you want to say that the x is a angle, this will be less than or greater than or equal to 0 degree and less than 90 degree. These angles are known as the acute angle. Okay, now I want to explain one more thing. If you are new for the angle, or you forgot that the what is the angle, so that's why I'm telling you the angle. What is the angle? When two lines are joined with one end. Okay, this is a point A. Okay, this is the line OA and this is point B. Then the inclination between these two lines, the inclination between between two these lines is known as angle. Is angle. Now, what you have to do? You have to find out the ratio of these angles, between these angles. Now, this is angle of the 90 degree. This is the right angle triangle in triangle A, B, and C. Okay. Now, if the trigonometry ratio are divided in the six parts, mainly there is the three parts, that is the sine, cos, and the tan. Sine, cos, and tan. Okay, and there is the reciprocal or converse of this, that will be the cosec. This is the converse of the sine. Sec, this is the converse of the cos, and cot. These six are the trigonometric ratio of these six are the trigonometric ratio which is used in the trigonometry. Okay, now, what this ratio says? These ratios give the relationship between any acute angle, okay, acute angle, and the sides of this triangle. Sides of this triangle. If this is the side A, this is the side B, this is the side C. Okay, and if this is the angle X, this is the angle Y, then what will you say? For sine x, we will find out for the value of any acute angle, sine x. That means we are going to check according to this acute angle, not this according to this, the sine value, the ratio of sine with respect to this angle. Okay, for this sine is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. In the right, we all knows, for the hypotenuse is the opposite sides of the right angle triangle, opposite sides of the right angle of right angle triangle, in the right angle triangle. That's why we can say that, and perpendicular always in the front of the acute angle that we have, which we are taking. Okay, now we are taking the angle x. That's why this, for the sine x, the perpendicular should be AB. The perpendicular should be AB. Why? Because in front of this angle x, the side AB is lies. Okay. Now hypotenuse is always for the same for the both the angles. For sine y, we can say that for sine y the perpendicular should be changed, because in the front of the y the perpendicular is CB, CB, and the hypotenuse will be AC, AC. Okay. So this is the basic of trigonometry, and we will do further in the next class. Thank you.